Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that sits at the very core of modern IT, essential cybersecurity tools for network engineers. The line between managing network performance and defending it from threats has completely blurred. In 2025, a network engineer isn't just responsible for connectivity and speed. You're on the front lines of cyber defense. So, whether you're a seasoned pro looking to update your toolkit or just starting your career, this video is for you. We're counting down the top 5 cybersecurity tools you need to know. We'll not only list them, but also show you why they're indispensable and how they're used in real-world scenarios. First, a quick look at what we'll cover. We're going to start with the ultimate protocol analyzer, Wireshark. Then, we'll move to the network discovery powerhouse, Nmap. After that, we'll explore the penetration testing toolkit, Kali Linux. For our fourth tool, we'll look at the CM giant, Splunk. And finally, we'll discuss the automation engine, Ansible. Stick around until the end, where I'll give you some tips on how to build your own personalized toolkit. 1. Wireshark, the protocol analyzer. Let's kick things off with what many consider the Swiss Army knife of network analysis, Wireshark. This is a free and open-source tool that acts like an X-ray machine for your network. It captures the data packets traveling across your network in real time, allowing you to inspect them down to the smallest detail. Why is this a game-changer for network engineers? Well, when there's a performance issue or a suspected breach, you need more than just a hunch. Wireshark gives you hard evidence. You can see if a device is misbehaving, identify unusual traffic patterns that suggest malware, or troubleshoot why an application is slow by analyzing its communication layer by layer. It supports hundreds of protocols, and while it has a learning curve, its filtering capabilities are incredibly powerful once you get the hang of them. A quick pro tip: you can use a command line tool like dump on a server to capture packets and then analyze the file in Wireshark's graphical interface later. This is perfect for troubleshooting issues on headless systems. Troubleshooting issues on headless network mapper. Our next tool is all about discovery and awareness. You can't secure what you don't know about. Nmap, or Network Mapper, is the industry standard tool for auditing your network. It's a free, open-source utility that discovers active devices, identifies what services they're running, and even can detect the operating system they're using. For a network engineer, Nmap is crucial for tasks like validating firewall rules. After a change, you can scan from outside to see if only the intended ports are open. Network inventory. Quickly get a list of all devices on your network to spot unauthorized or shadow IT devices. Security auditing. Identifying outdated services running on unexpected ports that could be a vulnerability. Nmap is command line driven, but its power lies in its flexibility. You can perform a simple ping sweep to find live hosts or use its advanced scripting engine to run detailed vulnerability detection scripts. It's the first step in any serious network security assessment. 3. Kali Linux, the penetration testing toolkit. Moving from defense to proactive offense, our number 3 tool is actually an entire operating system packed with utilities. Kali Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution specifically designed for penetration testing and security auditing. It comes preloaded with over 600 tools, including Nmap and Wireshark, making it a one-stop shop for ethical hackers and security professionals. Now, you might think, I'm a network engineer, not a hacker. But here's why it's important. Understanding how attackers think and operate is the best way to build resilient defenses. Kali Linux allows you to safely simulate attacks on your own network to find weaknesses before malicious actors do. You can test the strength of your Wi-Fi passwords with air cracking, probe web applications for common flaws, or use the famous Metasploit framework to test if your systems are vulnerable to known exploits. It's a powerful tool that requires a solid foundation in security concepts and the Linux command line. It's recommended to run it in a virtual machine to practice in a controlled lab environment. 4. Splunk, the security intelligence platform. While the previous tools are often used for specific point-in-time tasks, our number 4 tool provides the big picture. Splunk is a leading security information and event management (SIEM) platform. Its job is to collect, correlate, and analyze log data from every corner of your IT infrastructure: routers, switches, servers, firewalls, and applications. For a network engineer in a security operations center, SOC, Splunk is invaluable. Instead of logging into individual devices, you get a centralized, real-time view of your entire environment. Splunk can automatically detect anomalies, like a sudden spike in traffic from a single IP address or multiple failed login attempts, and alert you immediately. This turns massive amounts of raw data into actionable intelligence, helping you investigate incidents and understand the scope of a problem quickly. It's known for its powerful search capabilities and intuitive dashboards, but can be resource-intensive and has high licensing costs for enterprise use. 5. Ansible, the automation engine. Our final tool might surprise you, but it's arguably one of the most important for modern, scalable network security: Ansible. Ansible is an open-source automation tool that uses simple, human-readable YAML language to define tasks and playbooks. It's agentless, meaning you don't need to install software on the network devices you want to manage. So what does automation have to do with security? Consistency and speed. Manually configuring hundreds of switches and firewalls is not only slow but prone to human error, a major security risk. With Ansible, you can automate compliance. Push out a secure configuration template to every device on your network simultaneously, ensuring they all meet your security baseline. Rapid response. If a vulnerability is discovered, you can write a playbook to instantly deploy a fix or block a malicious IP address across your entire infrastructure, rather than doing it device by device. This infrastructure as code approach is the future of networking. It reduces human error, saves countless hours, and makes your network more secure and have it. 5 powerful tools that every network engineer should be familiar with. Remember, no single tool can do it all. The key is to build a toolkit that fits your specific role. Maybe you live in Wireshark and Nmap for daily troubleshooting, use Ansible for automation, and break out Kali Linux for quarterly security audits. The goal is to move from being reactive to being proactive and predictive in your network management and security. What's the one tool you can't live without? Did we miss any crucial tools for 2025? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content on networking and cybersecurity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.